Roses are red, violets are blue. Rent an exotic car just for you. Assalamu alaikum. This is Nausi. Here I am presenting a business case study which is Enterprise Rent-A-Car. Enterprise Rent-A-Car was founded by Jack Taylor in 1957. It is the largest car rental company in North America. It is also internationally recognized brand and global business with decentralized local structure. It is operating within the United States, Canada, the UK, Ireland and Germany. Let's come to the marketing strategy point. As we know, it is a long-term forward-looking approach which is for reaching consumers to turning them into customers, as well as it is a fundamental pattern and planned objective resource development interactions of an organization with market competitors and other environmental strategies. A process of using marketing mix is using for satisfy and attract customers to make profit for the organization or business. Here I make a sample enterprising rent-a-car marketing strategy which is contained with company background, product, goals, values, target market, marketing strategy, promotions, and value proposition, brand messaging, etc. Now, moving to the point how the diversification strategy within the ANSOS matrix differs from the other three strategies. At first, we have to know who is Igor Ansov. He is the founder of ANSOS matrix, and also he is the father of strategic management, who developed a strategic decision-making tool to analyze the different options for expansion business. Four growth strategies chart and diversification strategy here present. Basically, ANSOS matrix, it is the most commonly used model for analyzing business strategies. Each of the four, here we can see that each of the four strategies is a coinciding risk level. The more newness added the equation, the risk will increase. The stages being market penetration, market development, product development, but the highest riskiest strategy is product diversification. As we know that diversification is the riskiest strategy, that's why it is selling new product for new customers. It is risky because it involves two unknowns. So new product and new market should be selected. As we can draw an example like new products for new market, it could be under Enterprise Rent-A-Car, it could be create rent a bike, which is launching a new product for new customer. On the other hand, diversification can be divided into related and unrelated. As an example of related is Toyota offer Lexus car, because related is within the brand or same range, and on the other hand, unrelated is completely new product. Not only that, diversification will gain the diversification strategy will gain interest in consumer and expand revenue per company. Enterprise should also step outside of their comfort zone and implement diversification strategy. Now, how research into product development of local level helps organization to respond the needs. I am going to explain. Product development is basically it is a medium risk growth strategy, which is selling new products in existing market. It also retaining existing customers when existing products have reached safety stage of their life cycle and new products can be launched under the same brand. It can be draw an example with iPhone, which is Apple. Okay. So being a privately owned business enterprise, it allows employees to make decisions at a local level. New or expansion of product includes with pickup service, which is collect customers and takes to the car. Flex rent a car. It is a long-term rental vehicle for business. V-car or membership car. It is a fuel V-car. Here is a picture of V-car, which, as you can see, that it is eco-friendly, which is reducing global warming, and also fuel efficiency vehicle, affordable hourly rate it offers, and sharing scheme or offering hybrid. Okay. As a last point, why some diversification decisions might be higher risk than others. Naturally, diversification is a risk management strategy that mixes a wide variety of investment within a portfolio. It is actually introducing new product in new market. Because of high risk strategy, it involves introducing new market in the new market, a new product in the new market. Company with different subsidiaries is known as also conglomerate. Diversification strategy spreading risk. Not also that, it requires new skills. As we can see, that diversification features. Here, in diversification features, new skills and investments may require enable response to economic uncertainty. Next, provides an opportunity to move into new area of business and spread risk. It is too much time or devoted non-core activities. Diversification strategy includes sales of used car, packaged goods, travel or luggage goods outside